So, hi dear Pisces, very good evening to you guys. This is a 7 day 7 oracle messages for all the Pisces, Sun, Moon, Venus, or Rising from 27th of April till the 3rd of May 2026. Please keep in mind this is a general reading. This might or might not resonate. Even if it is resonating 100% with you, doesn't mean it's your personal reading. Just take the messages as a guidance because it's not possible that a general reading is a personal reading, right? Please keep that in mind. Whatever decisions or choices you guys are going to make based on my readings is your responsibility, not mine or my channels. For personal reading, healing session, check out the description box. You'll find the links below. For tarot reading course, self-love course, and Ho'oponopono Masterclass 2, links are given below. So, let's start. Okay, Pisces. The overall energy for Pisces people for this week. Let's see what we have. The overall energy for Pisces people for this week. So we have the Six of Gabriel. Congratulations, you have done a wonderful job. Time to move on to the next project, awards, scholarships, or promotions. You guys should celebrate something. You guys have done a really great job in creating something really wonderful for yourself especially regarding your money, job, career, or finances. Now the time has come for you guys to move to the next project or next thing that you want to work on. Awards or scholarships or promotions is on the way for you guys. Maybe salary hike, maybe some kind of recognition, award, reward, whatever you call it. So this week is really good for you guys to celebrate your success. Okay, you have done a wonderful job, so celebrate. Let's see the per day messages for you guys for this week. Pisces, 27th 27th, we have the Four of Ariel. When you give, you also receive. Being resistant to change. Extremes in how you save or spend money. So we have for 27th, we have the Four of Ariel. When you give, you also receive. Being resistant to change. Extremes in how you save or spend money. When you give with a grateful heart, you also receive with a grateful heart. Okay. Being resistant to change is actually going to create some kind of hurdles and obstacles in your own growth and expansion. So being resistant to change is not a good idea, Pisces, and keep on reminding yourself that change is the only constant. Extremes in how you save or spend money. You guys are going to be on the extreme side of either saving too much or spending too much. So you guys have to find a middle ground on this particular day. Okay. 28th, we have the Four of Michael. Insights that come from quiet meditation. When you are going to sit with yourself, when you are going to like focus or your all energy internally, you guys will be able to get some kind of insights, very valuable information. The need for more sleep or time off. You guys are going to feel that you guys should take a time off and sleep more. Seek relief from stress. If you are continuously keeping yourself in stressful situations, try to seek relief from the stress because it can convert into some kind of insomnia or migraine or not on or something that is going to be very difficult to handle in the coming future. So try to get out of the stressful situations and take good sleep. Good amount of rest. 27, 28. 29th, we have Two of Ariel. It's important to have balance. Now you guys have to figure out a balance between two situations, two things, or multiple projects or multiple work opportunities, because you will be working multiple jobs or projects at once. You will be doing so many things at the same time. It's going to be a little bit difficult for you guys to manage everything at the same time. So you have to find a balance. Making work fun is also a good idea. If you can add some kind of creativity or fun in your work or your projects, that is also going to help you to keep going. So 27, 28, 29. 30th, we have the 10 of Gabriel. Ask your angels for helpful people to lighten your load. You guys might be working on, again, so many things at the same time or working too many hours. Ask for helpful people. Ask for help. If you feel like you can take help and your burden is going to be a little bit easier, so don't refrain from taking help from others. Okay, so you are doing too much, you are doing so many things at the same time, it is going to be overwhelming, it is going to be very difficult for you. So take help from others who can help you in order to lighten your load in some way. Trying too hard to please others, people pleasing is not going to help you in any way, Pisces. You have to be like very confident in who you are and what you are. Instead of trying to make other people happy, try to keep yourself happy and at peace. Other people, whosoever is good for you or meant for you, will be there for you. Otherwise they are not actually good for you in any ways, right? So we have 27, 28, 29, 30th. First of all, maybe have the perspective. There is a better way. There is a better way to understand a situation, to do something in a particular direction. Pause for reflection and insight. Take a step back and try to understand the situation from every possible angle before jumping into any kind of conclusions or doing something in a particular direction. There is a better way to handle a situation for sure. It's not going to work out like my way is the only way, or I know better than everything, everyone on this planet Earth and beyond that. So try to pause and reflect and try to take the insights. Dare to be different. If you are planning to do something different in your life, Pisces, people are definitely going to call you crazy. People are definitely going to put fingers on you. Okay, poke fingers on you. So it doesn't mean that you are wrong. It simply means that people are not able to understand you and your things. Okay, so dare to be different if you want to be different in your life. Don't worry about people. They always have something negative to say, so don't focus on those things, right? Those people, just keep doing your work and keep moving forward, honey, right? And be your best friend. Don't expect others to understand you. It took my parents, my family, to like 4 5 years to understand me and my journey, so I cannot blame others. Now they're completely okay with me. Now they're completely happy with me. Still sometimes things don't go well, so dare to be different and be ready to face the challenges. Okay, so second of May we have the Six of Ariel. Material needs get fulfilled in magical and unexpected ways. Some kind of financial gains are foreseen on this particular day, maybe from the sources that you are least expecting it from. Acts of kindness, the more you are going to act from kindness, the more you are going to feel beautiful and happy from inside. Giving or receiving with a grateful heart, whether you're receiving something from somebody, whether you're giving something to somebody, do it with a grateful heart. So basically, attitude of gratitude is going to help you guys to have a really beautiful, prosperous and abundant day ahead of you. 3rd of May, we have the Queen of Ariel. Nurture yourself and those you love. Connect with people whom you love really, really from your heart and soul, and let them help you. Let them connect with you too. Maybe sometimes we get so stressed out, we get so obsessed or trapped in our own energies that we don't even care about the people that we love and who loves us. So open this gate. The ability to make anything more beautiful. This day can mark a really beautiful day for you guys to make anything really beautiful with your thoughts, with your energies, with your actions. Practical and wise advice. Somebody might give you some kind of practical and wise advice. Listen to that advice because it can be really helpful for you guys in the coming future, if not immediately. Okay, so okay, don't have to act upon anybody's advice just like that, like by blindfolded eyes. Don't do that, but at least listen to them. Maybe it's not going to be something that you want right now, but maybe in the coming future, who knows, especially if it is coming from a wise and stable person, stable energy. Okay, let's see the guidance for you guys for this week. We have the Queen of Raphael. Follow your heart, follow your heart, follow your instincts, follow your heart. A love of home and family, trustworthy psychic information. So you should connect with your family members if you are not in touch with your family members from some time. People who are like family to you or your literal family member, or you can visit them, reconnect with them. If there is some kind of misunderstanding going on, something that's not adding up or going well, try to handle the situation right now only, because maybe in the coming future it's not going to be that much easy to handle. And listen to your intuition and your instincts, your gut, you can say. So some kind of psychic information is going to be there that might be really helpful for you, maybe not immediately but eventually. So if you feel some kind of strange weird dream that is making sense to you, write it down somewhere. If you're getting some kind of downloads meaning like without even trying you are getting some kind of insights or messages from the universe, from the divine, write it down somewhere. So that's how you connect with your inner self, right? So yeah, thank you so much for tuning in, Pisces. We'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye, take care, may existence bless you. Namaste.